So we hit the gym till 1 a.m. We went home. Look at our boys. They're at work just like me. Same place I work. All of them grazing. Came in at noon. I don't know if we're coming in at noon tomorrow, but we're looking at trailers. Instead of an apartment, we might get a trailer house instead. It's apparently going to be like $2 grand. Oh my God, the boys. They live inside the gate just like I do. I'm on my way back. Ooh. Ooh, strike that stuff. That one. God damn. I miss seeing them. Now they're inside where I work. They're inside the compound. Good old Wabash.